So, in amongst all the political craziness, it's worth noting that anti-Brexit campaigner Steve Bray was taken to court recently with a charge of not complying with police directions. Now, the judgment was made a couple of days ago. And although it looks like Steve was sort of wrong about one little point in terms of where the police were allowing him to protest, he essentially won the case. The magistrate felt that the police had interfered with his human rights. They also felt the need in their summing up to point out how bad the prosecution had presented its case. It was a very weak case against Bray. In fact, the judgment included a line which emphasised that Steve's right to protest was more important than someone else's desire to not have to listen to the Star Wars theme tune in public. The magistrate also rubbished the claims of some non-police witnesses, who I think were probably all Tories. Even a recording of Steve's music from within an office was not deemed loud enough to be of serious bother. In fact, he described one witness as, and I quote, "He lacks a certain robustness." In other words, bit of a snowflake who should stop whining and get on with it. So Steve will be protesting against Brexit until Brexit is reversed, it seems.